Welcome to TMG Yachts Brokerage. My name is Joe Fox and today we are presenting an as-new Prestige 460F. This vessel is offered to the market at exceptional value in time for summer on Sydney Harbour. We were lucky enough to have this vessel on display at the Sydney Boat Show 2023, and that's testament to just how good this vessel is. It's just on a year old and a very high specification. Nearly every box has been ticked, representing great value and a great offering for those that are interested. Come on board and let's take a look through.